first step towards achieving your dreams is having the right coach. Get the best education with CAD.com Lab and make your AutoCAD 2D 3Ds Max dreams come true. Download the app now.
फिर होस्पोस हो जाती है, समझ में नहीं आता। इसीलिए आर्किटेक्चर पार्ट में इसीलिए कॉल आउट्स को यूज़ करा गया है, डिटेल कॉल आउट को यूज़ करा जाता है ताकि आप उनको मार्क करके अलग सेपरेटली शो करा सकें सिस्टमेटिक वे, हम साइड में दे सकें। ये इलिप्स मैंने यहाँ पर ड्रॉ करा था, दैट मीन्स कि ये डिटेल्स हम कहाँ दे रहे हैं, यहाँ पर। टाइप्स ऑफ लाइट्स, इस लाइट को कई बार देखा होगा, अभी हम लोगों ने बिल्कुल जस्ट देखा था, बिल्कुल ये देखो। मॉडर्न इंटीरियर में आपको यही मिलेगा, डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ लाइट, नाम नहीं पता, फिर हम मेंशन क्या करेंगे वहाँ पर। इसीलिए ये सारी चीज़ें बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होती है।
ओके, कोर्स या SDF and MDF code. Any idea of the SDF and the MDF? Any little bit idea?
No. I just heard this the first time, HDF. But before I had heard the name MDF everywhere. Yeah, I have idea about the MDF. Just I know that like the wood of MDF, but I don't know about much details about.
So you can see the definition of the boards. SDF means representing the high density fiber board. The definition of the SDF: high density fiber board, and it's a flexible and affordable material with many use. As SDF is stronger than conventional particle board, there are one more material which is called a particle board. MDF is a material, is a board, you can say that, and SDF is also a board, and particle board is also a material. There is also a part of the board. So we will see next. So particle board and offer superior is only a theory. So SDF versus MDF. So how is SDF high density fiber board manufactured? It's a common thing. Let's just skip this one. Fiber board, a popular option if you are looking at economics and sustainable and alternative to using the wood, the plywood in your home. So it's very important that fiber board area. Fiber boards are a popular options. Like if you are designing any interior, like if you are designing a bedroom or any other furniture item, then you can use different types of plywood.
Yeah.
And in
Yeah,
plywood,
sorry. If I get a class like about the wood and the hedges, it would really help a lot.
you can say that SDF, you can use SDF material, you can use MDF, medium density fiber board, are composite boards that are used in woodworking to make cabinetry. This point is very important. Like we can use SDF and MDF board, which are used in woodworking to make cabinetry, wall panels, shelvings, and furniture. They can be pasted with the veneer or laminate. Any idea about the veneer and the laminate?
No.
Don't worry. I will explain this also.
Wow, there is a lot of things to learn.
Don't worry. I will explain everything, point to point. So they can be pasted with a veneer, a laminate. On the both sides, they can be finished with paint. SDF and MDF. These are the differences between the SDF and the NDF. Features: high density fiber board, right? And the MDF is medium density fiber board. And the density of the SDF is 800 to 900, but the density of the MDF board is only 6 to 800 kb. It's important, but this point is very important for your knowledge. Hardness: the high density board is harder than MDF. Always remember about the differences between the MDF and the SDF. The high density board is harder than MDF, and the MDF less
so again, the high density board is harder than the MDF.
MDF.
And more than the HDF, MDF is harder.
Yeah.
And more than the MDF, the hardness. Oh, no, sorry. More than the HDF, the MDF is harder.
Yeah, SDF is harder than MDF.
HDF harder than more MDF.
MDF. And the MDF less harder than, you can say that SDF. Yeah, there is one more material is called particle board. You can say in what simple
it's
word,
harder than
MDF is less harder than from the SDF and particle board. Just remember this one.
particle board, then the HDF harder than MDF.
Yeah, just think one thing: the strongest material in the wood, MDF. Oh, sorry, SDF.
Oh, HDF is the high,
Yeah,
stronger.
this point is representing the high density fiber board. Just see, an MDF medium density fiber board. You can see the differences between the SDF and the medium. M is representing the medium, and the H representing the high.
High.
Yeah, it's a difference between the words H and M.
Yeah. Exactly. Yeah.
One thing is very important: surface finishing. The high density fiber board is smooth. You can say the SDF surface, SDF wood surface is smooth, and MDF is smooth and uniform. This point is equal. You can say that both SDF and MDF both a positive point in this surface finishing.
Yeah.
In the surface finishing, this is a equal point of the surfacing. Smooth surface. Like you can see the smooth surface in the SDF is also, and you can see the smooth surface also in MDF. Clear?
Yeah.
Workability, not as easy to route and plane as MDF. It's not an easy task to work on the high density fiber board. But on other hand, MDF easy to cut into shape, smoother and plain. You can say in simple word that we can work very easily on the MDF board.
Yeah.
And on SDF, it's not an easy task. The reason is it's a high density fiber board. You can say that this is a solid wood. Cost, HDF cost.
Could I see the picture of HDF wood?
Yeah, wait. I will show the pictures of the SDF and MDF. Okay. So where we can use the SDF? Indoor furniture, floors, wall paneling, doors, not suitable for exterior use.
The MDF and HDF both are not suitable for
This
outdoor,
category,
for exterior.
this category only for SDF, which I am telling you. Indoor furniture floor, we can use SDF only in interior furniture, not for exterior use.
Exterior. Yeah, I get it.
But MDF, on the other hand of the MDF, we can use furniture that has grooves and moldings, cornice cabinetry. There are so many technical words in interior. Grooves, any idea?
No.
Molding, any idea? Okay. So let me copy the name so that we can told you in next section. Grooves, molding and cabinetry. So we will discuss in next topic grooves, moldings, cornice and cabinetry. Okay. And so there are so many differences between the MDF and the SDF. So, so this is the SDF fiber board in home interior. So this is the SDF.
SDF.
Yeah, this is the SDF fiber board. And we can use wooden laminate floor. We can use kitchen cabinet. But here is an important point. Just see SDF fiber board like MDF. MDF is a good choice for the core of kitchen cabinet. Just remember the mostly material is used in the kitchen part that is called MDF.
Yeah, yeah.
Why? It's very easy to use. We can cut in different types of pieces and it's cheaper
Yeah.
from SDF.
Yeah, even I saw that a lot of furniture are like made by MDF.
MDF.
Yeah.
And this is the example. Right?
This is made by MDF. Yeah.
Shutters of high density wood, fiber wood, popularly finished with decorative membranes, like gloss laminate and edge bend tape. So there are so many types of condition where we can use in wardrobe.
Yeah, this is also MDF or HDF.
This is also made from the MDF.
MDF. Okay.
We can use in wall paneling.
No, scroll down. No, go up. Yeah, this in this no, down on the cabinet. No, down. There's the. Yeah, this one.
Yeah, wall
No,
paneling.
this picture. I mean this picture. In that picture, the floor there's a put HDF. Is there the what?
Yeah, right.
HDF.
And the furniture is made from the MDF.
MDF. The floor is HDF.
Yes. But it's not a,
I got.
I tell you one thing that it's not a terms and condition, it's not a regulation, a foundation that you have to use only HDF in your floor area. It's not important. You can also use MDF.
Yeah, I mean that now I just got that this the wood name is HDF.
Okay.
Yeah, I saw that's the wood, but I didn't knew about much between the difference between MDF and yeah, I mean the details, but I got it. It's clear to me now. Thank you so much.
So these are the differences between the MDF and the SDF. The SDF surfaces is smooth and very glossy, but not important. You can also do the MDF material in your floor area. It's not important, but it's depend on the cost of the product. Right?
Yeah.
Wall paneling. We can also use SDF, yeah, MDF in our wall paneling, but SDF is very expensive material. So
Yeah, is the sir, is this the class is recording?
oh, yeah, it's recording.
Oh, thank you so much. Yeah, it's most important class to me. Yeah, no, yeah, it's important to me.
Okay. So
Yeah.
so it's important. We can use MDF and SDF also we can in our interior, but the difference is a little bit difference. That is the cost. SDF is
Sorry,
good. We can use SDF and we can use also MDF in our interior,
Mhm.
but mostly every interior designer is used MDF material. The reason is very cheaper from the SDF.
Yeah. So I have another question about the HDF and MDF.
Mhm.
Like, I noticed that the HDF is skinny. Like, it's, how can I explain that? Is the thickness it not much like MDF.
Mhm.
Is there, like, is the thickness is same the HDF and MDF?
Don't worry. We will discuss this point also in next point. That what types of thickness are available in the market of the MDF and the SDF, right? Don't worry. We will also
Yeah,
come
yeah,
to
yeah,
it.
yeah.
Don't worry. We will discuss every point. Don't worry. Your question will be solved automatically.
Wow.
Okay. So we can use MDF in
Mhm.
our interior. Like this is the wall paneling, and we can use MDF in our bedrooms area. In wall paneling, we can use MDF in our furniture, in TV unit, yeah, in any other furniture item. Okay. So
Yeah.
you can use in wall shelves,
HDF or MDF.
SDF, yeah, depending on the cost of the project. MDF is a very low cost product, and SDF
Mhm.
is an expensive product. You can say in a simple word. So it's depending on the cost project and depending on the client. Uh,
Okay. In fact, yeah, we can use the HDF in the wall paneling or something like that, but it's expensive.
yeah,
You mean that?
but it's a simple
Okay.
thing. The difference,
Yeah, this depend on the customer requirement.
yeah, it customer requirement and depend on the customer's budget. You can say that.
Yeah. Okay. I got.
So there is no rules and regulations that you have to design any interior uh, with the MDF. You have to design any kitchen cabinet, yeah, floor area, yeah, wardrobe with SDF. No. There is no any rules regulation. The point is you can use both material, and the difference is just only a cost. Clear?
Oh, yeah, clear.
So there is one more material which is called SDHMR. Did you hear about the SDHMR?
No, this is my first time that I'm hearing this.
So it's also a material, solid wood material, which is called SDHMR board, and it's very famous. And mostly interior designers also use this kind of material. So you can see the SDHMR board. SDHMR board is high density fiber board. It's engineered wood made from the wood fiber. SDHMR material is denser and harder than other types of fiber board. Just see this point. SDHMR material is denser and harder than other types of fiber board.
Okay.
Making it an ideal choice for SDHMR furniture. I will say in a simple word, like SDHMR is used only for furniture,
Just only for furniture.
just only for furniture, and it's the best material for a furniture. You can see in this point SDHMR furniture and other household items that see a lot of wear and tear. SDHMR is also less likely to wrap yourself. Okay, this kind of goodie. Okay. Let's skip this point. So come to the main point. MDF. Now we will discuss about the MDF and HDMR difference. Smooth finish. Okay. HDHMR board come with a pre-painted. This point is very important. HDHMR board come from the factory pre-painted. There is no need to paint after purchasing the material. It's a pre-painted material.
Yeah. I got it. I got it now. Yeah, I know the wood, but I don't know the name.
Yeah.
It's yeah, you're right. That's the wood is shiny and glossy.
Yeah,
That's
very shiny and glossy, which gives them a smooth and glossy shine.
and for the furniture, just for the furniture, yeah, I got it now. Because like your wardrobe, cabinet, like there are things,
Right.
like kind of things. Yeah,
Right.
yeah.
MDF, easy to work, and HDMR is also low maintenance. Okay, more durable than a lot of hardwood, but HDMR board are stronger and durable than any other material. This point is very important. So that every designer is used HDHMR. Why? The point is HDMR board are stronger and durable than any other material.
Yeah. So another things I noticed that here in Saudi Arabia, that nowadays peoples are not using that. Like if we wanna make a furniture, like a cabinet or something like that, through the MDF. So yeah, we have to pay. Like yeah, have to paint, have to color. But HDMR doesn't record that kind of thing that you mentioned that before. But yeah, and I noticed that now there's the customer in Saudi Arabia, they are making the furniture through the HDMR.
The reason
Like
is
they are to,
there is. I tell you one thing that there is no any differences between the material. It's all depend on the cost of the material. But in mostly you can see the every contractor or any interior designer used only MDF and HDHMR board. 100 out of 90% designer are used MDF and HDHMR. The reason is stronger, and you can say that not what to call is very comfortable and under budget.
like which one is expensive? Like yeah, MDF or HDMR?
HDF is expensive. First thing is HDF is expensive and HDHMR board is also expensive. But MDF, medium density fiber board. That means it's a cheap material from the HDF and the HDMR board.
Sorry.
HDF and HDHMR board
Mm-hmm.
is very costly.
Oh, it's expensive.
It's very, you can say that is very expensive. Yeah, right.
More than the MDF. Okay.
MDF. You can see here MDF board is very less, but HDF board is very
Also, sir, also like HDF also that's when the company or like how can I explain that? I don't know about like HDF also like ready made like the HDHMR. Is that
yeah.
like if we buy MDF to make a cabinet or something like the furniture, we have to paint that. But I think HDF and HDHMR wouldn't have to paint that. Is that?
Yeah, there is no need to use the laminate. There is no need to use the paint on HDMR board. The reason is the HDMR board is a pre-painted, a polished from the company.
Oh yeah, I got it. Okay.
But we have to need a use a laminate and paint on MDF and what is second? HDF, sorry. MDF and HDF. So there is need to use the laminate, and we can use paint on SDF and MDF also. But on the basis of second point, like HDMR board, there is no need to use the paint. It's already HDMR board comes with pre-painted polished surface. Simple. Clear?
Yeah.
This point is very important. See here, MDF partitions we can use in partitions, we can use in shelves, we can use in wall panels, we can use in furniture, we can use in Vencos. HDMR board we can use in kitchen cabinet, we can use also in furniture, we can use in wood, wall panels, partitions. The use of MDF and HDMR board. So I don't think so there are so many differences between the MDF and the HDMR board. We can use both material in our interior, but the difference is cost, which is depend on the client requirement. Is it clear?
Yeah, clear.
Okay. And the maintenance of the MDF and HDMR board, dust away with a dry cloth, but clean spot instead of the whole area. Never use water to clean MDF, just make a clean sweep. Keep away from heat prone areas at home, but in HDMR you can use lukewarm water to clean this material. So this is the specifications of the MDF and the HDHMR board.
Yeah, yeah. Got it.
Clear?
Yeah, clear.
So these are the differences of the MDF and
Sir,
MDF.
sir, could you send me this file?
Sure. I will tell you every note. Don't worry. I will send you the HDF and MDF notes, and you can see and you can learn every details of the MDF and HDMR. Yeah, what is the MDF, HDF and HDHMR code?
It's DHL.
And there are
Every
so
details, like was it
Yeah.
clear?
don't worry. I will send you every detail of the furniture. Not furniture. Sorry, every detail of the interior. Then board.
Thank you very much.
Now we will discuss in next session that laminate. It is very important.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, continue. Continue.
So we will discuss in next session what is laminate. Laminate. This is called the laminate, which is used on the surface of the wood. This is called laminate. So we will discuss in next session in that what is the meaning of the laminate and what types of sizes we can get from the market, and where we can use the laminate, and the categories of the laminate and the price of. There are so many things. So don't worry, we will discuss every point of the interior step by step. So I just one thing that you should know every detail of the interior. So that's why I am telling you every point, like about the board, about the laminates, and also we will discuss about the paint. Do you know about the hue paint or deco paint? Do you have any idea about the paints?
No, like I don't know the name, but like yeah, I just know the general normally, but I don't know the like how can I explain that?
Okay. We
Yeah.
discuss-
I don't know much, but I know a little bit about the time.
Okay, but don't worry. I will tell you about the completely detail of the book. So I think It's enough for today.
Yeah, okay, no problem, no problem. Yeah, even last class, you have showed that the standard dimension of a bed